All right, everybody. Welcome back to Junker Clunkers. I am Grady, your host, as normal. There's Brent. It's Halloween afternoon. I like how somebody did that. That's something. Anyhow, I went to do the spark plugs, and I knew I was gonna need wires. Anyhow, I just want to show you guys this crap. I wasn't gonna do a video, but I figured maybe I'll do a quick little small one because it already started going wrong when I just pulled one out. So this truck's got 200 and something thousand on it, and it's got a bit of a hiccup in it. So I'm hoping it's not going to be the coils. Hoping, you know. But I got some parts Brent's gonna get. I'm gonna try and give you guys a little bit of a video if possible. These little doodads are pretty cool. If you can get in there. If you can get in there and get them. This is gonna be the hardest part of the whole job, getting these out. Oh man. This does not want to come out. What do you got to say today, Brent?
Fine.
Oh, I think we got some of it. Yeah, we got it. These are probably original. I don't know if I'm gonna. Most people just take these off, I think, and put them on the new boot. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Maybe.
What are those?
What are those?
What are they?
They're little heat guards and such. Maybe I will.
Are they needed?
I mean, they're not needed. So this is what we got. Duralast wires, and then we got some AC Delcos. There's your part number right there. 192998585. So those are iridiums, I think. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't know. Maybe Brent will come over here and just hold the camera for me for a minute. Brent will. So I got that back one out. Where's the next one? Next one's right here. And twisted pull and a jerking motion. Yeah, that was a piece of it. That's good. That's what we like. Well, that's some pieces of it. These aren't coming out very well. So I'm guessing it was probably time to replace this stuff. What do you think, Brent?
Mm-hmm.
Sure, whatever, Dad. Are we done yet? Right? So that's 1, 2. Here's number 3. Kind of pain in the butt to get it. Yeah, they're all coming apart, so I'm very glad that I bought what I bought. Where's the third one? Or fourth one, I mean. Right here. Uh-oh. What did I just take off? I did not mean to do that. What did I break? Guys, I broke a sensor. Damn it. I don't know what sensor I just broke. We'll find out when we start it again, I guess. Damn it. I think that's the one that actually came out. Damn it, I broke a sensor. Oh. Monkeys. Yeah, so that's the only one that came out. But these little things come off and you put them on the new one. So let's see if we can get in here without too much problems. Go to the back one first. Maybe with just one extension. Should be a 5/8, I believe. 5/8 spark plug socket. Maybe. Would you just stay still? Found a ground strap that's broken. We'll have to repair that. Bet you that was a coolant temp sensor that I broke. That's what it kind of looks like down there. Alright, so pretty much this is going to be the gist of it, guys. I'm not going to show you every single step. That's what that one looked like. AC Delcos. I'll match up the part numbers. R44LT. If you guys look, these spark plugs are definitely different. I'm wondering if these are the wrong ones, because this is what it called for. And they're both AC Delcos. The one coming out is an R44 LTSM, and the one going in is a AC Delco 41-962. So I wonder if maybe that's one reason it runs like crap, because it's definitely not the same thing. Definitely not the same thing. And it looks like it was burning way up the strap. So, I mean, I guess that could be a reason. I'm gonna save these and talk to a buddy. So what I do, and a lot of people do, if you guys remember, there was a Ford issue where spark plugs were shooting out or snapping off or whatever. And an old timer taught me to do this. You just take a little bit of Never Seas. That's what we call this, but it's called anti-seize. And you just put a little bit on the threads. And that, when you screw it in, it spreads it out. And it makes it so you don't seize the plug. Always start the plug by hand, too. Always. Never, ever, use impact to begin with. Really shouldn't be using impact on spark plugs anyhow, but you know what I mean. I think those other ones are tight to begin with. I'm going to do these other ones same exact way. You're going to just snug those up. Don't over torque them, guys. I know it looked like I was going a little hard on it, but I promise I wasn't. I've done a lot of spark plugs. I know when it's seated down, and that was not seated all the way in with those old ones, without a doubt. So I'm going to go ahead and do these other three. We'll bring you back when we get on the other side. All right, so you guys saw how when I was taking those coil wires off, how they got stuck, right? Well, little secret. Oh, kitty. Go ahead and get yourself a packet of this. Just put some little dab in there, a little dab on the other end. Make sure your plug wires clip on. Good to go. Don't have to worry about that again. Before I throw these in the box and show you guys real quick. This is the other ones that came out. I'm pretty sure that these are iridium ones, but they're missing pretty much everything in there. So the part number on this AC Delco is, I have no idea. 41962. So these are the ones that we just took out. So we got 3 of these and one of the other ones so far that isn't even an iridium. So I think we might have found a reason why she's running like crap. Sorry guys, there's a delivery guy next door delivering a stove or something. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and looby-dooby these up, put them into place, put these little heat shield guards. These just pull off the old shindig, and then they go on the new one, and then it helps protect the boot. See, it's just gonna go on right here. So I'll bring you guys back when I get something else accomplished. All right, all, we got one side all done. All the crap is in there. Gonna do the same thing to this side, so I'm not gonna bore you. I'll just show you when we're done and see if it runs any better, which I think it's gonna. I think it's gonna run 1,000,000 times better. So here we go. All right, all, there is our ones that came out. You can see that tips are missing, burning very off. Look at the gap on that one. There's all the junk parts. All the new ones are in. We made sure to anti-seize the threads. I don't know where it went, right there. We made sure we put that in there. Brent's getting ready for probably his last year trick-or-treating. He's 17.
I might go next year, because no, I'll be 17 next year.
That's right, you're 16 this year. I'm a stupid.
I have a real sword.
Show him the mask, Brent.
I have a real...
Don't say that out loud. He's gonna show you guys.
Okay, it's like a wall hanger, but...
All right, hold on. We're gonna bring it right back. He's gonna put the mask on. All right. So the mask is that's a couple years old, isn't it?
I got it last.
And he's got my cowboy hat for the 4th of July, and he's got a sword.
On a fanny pack.
On a fanny pack.
And my ripped off, worn out sweatshirt.
Yeah. So he's going trick-or-treating.
If I could find the food coloring, I'd put red food coloring on it because it's dark.
I might have red spray paint. No, you don't want to do that. You smell that the whole time. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start this up here in a second and let you guys hear it. And hopefully it's gonna make me happy to hear it run correctly and not go. All right, bring it back in a minute. All right, guys, this is test 1 after replacing spark plugs and wires.
Hasn't misfired yet.
I don't feel it doing normal.
Sword.
I don't feel it in the truck.
I didn't record that. I was recording the sword.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
We're flashing anti-theft. That's new. Is it because the door's open? I guess it was because the door's open. It feels pretty good right now. It feels pretty good. It actually feels really good. Brent, let go of the door handle. Hey.
Unlock it.
Drink.
I'm giving you your stuff.
All right, yeah, grab the tools. Brent wants to go to Dunkin' Donuts before we go. Oh, God. What an ass. Wow. I'm not going to lie, guys. That's way better. Way better than it was, so. Way better than it was, and I don't feel it going.
All the grease and oil stains make this sweatshirt look extra.
Oh yeah, my hat.
If we have food coloring, I'll try and find it when we come back.
All right,
If
go
I
get
have
Bella.
time.
And loving the hat. NKH, no nonsense, no how. Love his channel. The guy actually will sit there and talk to me, unlike some people. And I'm a smaller channel, so that's nice. Really nice guy, Chris is.
Bella, hi.
Oh God, here's Bella. There, guys, we're gonna go for a quick little jaunt. All right, so we're gonna take the pick 'em up truck for a ride. It already feels way better. So give me a second. We'll get out on the main road and give her a little stompy stomp. But usually when I put it in gear, even just going slowly down the road like this, it would go like, it would almost feel like a transmission issue, but I know it wasn't a transmission issue.
Ah, the sun.
Oh yeah.
Blinding the camera.
All right, so I'm just gonna give her a little honk here in a second. Right after that guy goes.
I don't know if you guys can see anything there.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah.
Woo!
All right.
She
well,
put you back in the seat now, doesn't she?
yeah. All right. Well, that's gonna do. Hey, that's gonna do it for this video, guys.
Brent's out. He doesn't want to do any more recording.
That's gonna do it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Or don't.
Or don't.
Or don't, Bella.
Bella, 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 bella.
So we just went through the drive-through at the bank, and it didn't start. I actually had to give it gas. Check engine light's on, so we're gonna fly home real quick and scan it. I don't really understand because it was running great. Only thing I could think of is the temp sensor, but I wouldn't think the temp sensor would have anything to do with the way it was running.
No.
Maybe, I don't know.
Bella, I love you.
Because I broke the temp sensor when I was...
We got that on video.
Yeah, they got me breaking it.
Yeah.
I guess my depth perception wasn't spot on at that point.
Okay. Well,
Oh, these brakes are
we'll
killing
see you guys at the house.
Alright, so we got the computer out. Yes, it is running, but it'll still read it.
Are you not supposed to have it running when you read it?
Coolant temp sensor high. A large evap. Okay, so in this truck, apparently, when the motor's warmer, the coolant temp sensor will make it run weird. Okay, so I knew that was going to be a problem anyhow.
Time to go buy a temp sensor.
Yep. I'm not going to put it in now because I know it's hot, and
Yeah,
I don't want to lose all that coolant.
you have to replace the coolant to put the sensor.
Well, there's the whole thing is it senses the temperature of the coolant. It goes in the block, so I'll probably be able to take it out and put it in real quick, the new one, but
you'll still lose.
I'll still lose a little bit. So that's the problem.
Around at least.
I wonder if it'll do it again. You think it will?
Probably. Well,
All right, let's see.
Actually, I don't
Quiet for
think
a second.
No.
Seriously?
When we get it on camera. Hey, I was right though.
Why? I'm serious. It sat there and cranked. All right, whatever, Henry. Whatever. We'll buy you a new temp sensor. What the hell?